The theme of the day is to be loose and have fun. It's very informal. We do have a plan for the day, but if you find that there's something else you kind of want to play with, I encourage all of you to do that. And when you're working, a little tip too, when you're working with it, if it has started to dry out, you can soak it in some warm water, and that'll give it a little bit more flexibility too when you work with it.
I think it's about what I expected, only maybe better, because everything was so organized and all the materials were here, and there are materials that I never even thought about using.
Well, and you think about this before you come, oh, what am I going to make? What am I going to make? You know, and then within 2 hours, I've made 3 things.